The Antichrist, the great rebel against God. One day a man will rise, not from heaven, but from hell's own ambition. He will speak great words. He will perform wonders. He will promise peace. But behind his smile is a lie forged by Satan himself. The Bible calls him the man of lawlessness, the son of perdition. 2 Thessalonians chapter 3. He is not just a politician or a tyrant. He is the Antichrist, the final enemy who will oppose everything that is holy. He will exalt himself above all that is called God or is worshipped, so that he sits as God in the temple of God, showing himself that he is God. 2 Thessalonians chapter 4. He will oppose the Torah because it reveals the holiness of God. He will reject the prophets because they spoke of the coming of the Messiah. He will deny the gospel because it defeats the power of sin and death. He will say Jesus is not the Son of God. He will say Jesus was not crucified because Satan cannot stand the cross. It is where he was defeated forever. Who is the liar? It is whoever denies that Jesus is the Christ. Such a person is the Antichrist, denying the Father and the Son. 1 John 2:22. The Antichrist will not only reject the Bible, he will try to rewrite it. He will mock Moses. He will twist the Psalms. He will erase the Gospels. And with words full of pride, he will say, I am God, worship me. But remember this, his power is not eternal. His kingdom is not forever. His end is written. The Lord Jesus will overthrow him with the breath of his mouth and destroy him by the splendor of his coming. 2 Thessalonians chapter 2:8. While the Antichrist will try to erase the truth, God has already spoken. The Torah is eternal. The prophets are true. Jesus is the Son of God, and the cross is the final word of victory. Key Bible references: Thessalonians 2:3-4, 81, John 2:18, 22, Daniel 7:25. He will speak against the Most High and try to change the set times and the laws. Revelation 13 describes the beast who demands worship. For more videos, like, share, and subscribe our channel.